Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this math Olympiad problem, there is a question given that x square plus x, which is equivalent to 5 times 1 and 5 times 2, and we are finding the value of variable x. So first of all, we can write the question, which is x square plus x, and we are subtracting this all these term in both sides. We can get minus 5 times 1 and 5 times 2, which is equivalent to 0. So here we can write first of all this term, which is 5 times 1 and 5 times 2. We can write this into uh, 1 5 times 1 1 2 3 4 5 and 5 times 0 plus 5 times 2, which is equivalent to this term. So here we can write this is also in the place of this term. We can write 5 times 1 3 4 5 multiply 1 and 5 times 0 3 4 5, which is also equivalent to this term, plus 2 multiply 5 times 1, which is equivalent to this term. So here we can let y, which is equivalent to 5 times 1 4 5. So we can first of all we can let y, which is equal to this term, and we can put y to this equation. So we can get 1 5 times 1 and 5 times 2, which is equal to this term. So in the place of this we can write y, and in this term we can write y. So here we can, this is y and this is y. So y times this, so which is equal to y multiply 1 5 times 0 plus 2 times y. So here in this term we can also write y multiply, in the place of this term we can write 5 times 9 plus 1, which is equivalent to this term, plus 2y. So here we can also write y multiply, in the place of this term we can write 9 multiply 5 times 1 plus 1 plus 2y. So here we can also write, in the place of this term we can write y, so which is equivalent to y multiply 9 times y plus 1 plus 2y. So here we can, if we multiply this y to this term, we can get 9y square plus y plus 2y. So here we can get 9y square plus 3y, which is equivalent to this term. So we can put the value of this term in this equation. So we can get here this term. We can also write, we can take common of 3y in this equation. We can get 3y plus 1. So in the place of this we can write these variables. So in this equation we can write in the place of 1 1 1 1 2 2 2 2 2, we can write this term. So here we can get this equation will be converted as x square plus x, which is equivalent to this term 3y plus 1. So here we can also write, subtracting this term on both sides, we can get x square plus x minus 3y plus 1. So first of all here we can write in the place of x we can write x, which is equivalent to we can write 3xy minus 3xy will be cancelled, and we can plus x, then this will be both will be equivalent because this will be cancelled and this will be equivalent. So also we can write this term into 3xy plus x minus 3xy. So here we can take common of x, we can get, if we take common of in this two term, we can take common of x, we can left 3y plus 1, and in this term we have left minus 3xy. So in the place of which is equivalent to x, so in the place of x we can write this term in this equation. So this equation will be converted as x square, and in the place of x we can write all this term. We can 3y plus 1 and multiply x minus 3xy, and this term minus 3y plus 1. So we can get this term. So here we have left get this term. So here we can take common of x. So here we can take common of x. We have left in this side x plus 3y plus 1, and in this side we can take common of minus 3y. We have left x plus 3y plus 1. So here we also take common of x, these two terms. We have left x plus 3y plus 1. In this side we have left x minus 3y, which is equal to 0. This term will be equivalent to 0. Is equal to 0. So here we can get two values of these. So here we can left x, which is equivalent to 3y minus 3y minus 1, and in this side we have left x, which is equal to 3. Why? Because these two will be equivalent to 0. 3y plus 1, which is equal to 0, and x minus 3y, which is equal to 0. So here we can put the value of y. We have left here, put the value of y in this equation. We can get x, which is equal to minus 3, 5 times 1, minus 1, and in this side we have left 3, 5 times 1. So here we can get x, which is equal to minus 3 times 5 times 3, minus 1, and in this side we have 5 times 3. So we can get two values of x, x1 and x2. x1, which is equivalent to minus 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, and x2, which is equivalent to 5 times 3. So we can get two values of x. So I hope you can enjoy the question. Thanks for watching.